What are the differences between domestic cats and wild cats like servals? Cats are one of the most popular pets around the world. They come in various breeds, colors, and sizes, each with their own characteristics. Domestic cats, or Felis catus, have been domesticated for thousands of years and are kept as companions in households. On the other hand, wild cats, such as servals, belong to the Felidae family and have not been domesticated. While both domestic cats and wild cats share some similarities, there are also several notable differences between them. One of the main differences between domestic cats and wild cats like servals is their size and physical appearance. Domestic cats generally have a smaller body size and range in weight from 5 to 20 pounds, depending on the breed. They have been selectively bred for different traits, resulting in a wide variety of physical appearances. On the other hand, wild cats like servals are larger and more robust. Servals, for example, can weigh between 20 to 40 pounds. They have a distinctive golden coat with black spots and long legs, which allow them to be agile predators. Another difference lies in their behavior and social structure. Domestic cats are typically more social and have been bred to adapt well to human companionship. They are known to be affectionate towards their owners and enjoy being in their company. Wild cats, on the other hand, are solitary animals with a more independent nature. They are not used to human interaction and tend to be elusive and cautious. The natural behavior and instincts of wild cats like servals are better suited for living in the wild rather than domestic environments. One significant difference between domestic cats and wild cats is their diet. Domestic cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they thrive on a diet primarily consisting of meat. They have adapted to eating commercial cat food or a balanced mix of meat, vegetables, and grains if provided by their owners. On the contrary, wild cats like servals have a more varied diet in the wild. They hunt small mammals, birds, reptiles, and even insects to meet their nutritional needs. The diet of a wildcat is closely linked to its natural habitat and the availability of prey species. The reproductive behavior of domestic cats and wildcats also differs. Domestic cats can reach sexual maturity at around 6 to 8 months and can reproduce throughout the year. They can have multiple litters in a year if not spayed or neutered. Wildcats like servals, however, have a specific breeding season. They engage in courtship behaviors and mate during a certain time of the year. Female wildcats have a gestation period of around 70 days and usually give birth to 2 to 4 kittens per litter. The mating and reproductive patterns of wildcats are influenced by their natural habitat and seasonal factors. Lastly, the living conditions and habitat preferences for domestic cats and wildcats vary significantly. Domestic cats are primarily indoor pets, although some owners allow them access to outdoor spaces. They are provided with shelter, food, and medical care by their owners. Wildcats, on the other hand, inhabit specific habitats in the wild that provide them with the necessary resources for survival. Servals, for example, are found in the grasslands, savannas, and wetlands of Africa. They require a large territory to roam and hunt for prey. In conclusion, while domestic cats and wildcats like servals may share certain similarities, they differ in size, physical appearance, behavior, diet, reproduction, and living conditions. Domestic cats have been bred for human companionship and exhibit specific traits due to centuries of domestication. On the other hand, wildcats have retained their natural instincts and are better suited for living in the wild. Understanding these differences can help us appreciate and care for both domestic cats and wildcats in the most appropriate way possible.